Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. What I have for you today is how to fix HP won't turn on. Before you find this video, you must have checked your power connection and battery. So now, just follow us to hard reset your HP laptop. Don't worry, this will not erase your personal data. Remove all peripherals and make sure your laptop is turned off. If there's a removable battery, take it out. Press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds. Then put the battery back. And try to turn on your laptop. If you don't know where the problem is, try PassFab FixUWin to troubleshoot. Download the tool from PassFab.com. Open PassFab FixUWin and click Create Boot Disk Now. Select your operating system and insert a USB. Click Next to burn the USB. Once done, read the guide or take a picture of it. Restart your HP laptop. Press F9 to open Boot Manager. Choose the USB and press Enter. Now double-click FixUWin. Click Automated Repair. Select the partition need to be repaired. Click Start Repair. Wait patiently. Once done, restart the computer and check if your problem is fixed.